With all the hype surrounding the War Within beta and Diablo 4's new expansion announcement, are you really surprised we're going to be tearing into a Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection box? Let's open this up and see what we get. This one is for the shorts. 8 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. Pack number 1. Greymane, Lunara, Gul'dan, Malfurion Stormrage, a Mei, Sen'jin, and last but not least, a Lurker. Oh, we have one more behind there. Lane Rin. Like and subscribe for more Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection.